So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe. So you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're going to put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something.
Jesus.
Like that. Well, you're telling me that being a big
You guys are so
dude
needy.
playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody like, oh, I'm a nerd. Instagram model, and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum.
I'm not
of
even done
nerd.
setting up yet. It is me, Orbem. And yeah. How's it going, everybody? How goes the mighty Friday E? Yeah, I know Indy. He just pops in, takes all the glory, and then leaves. But it's alright. What really counts is you guys hanging out. You're getting a Stratocaster? So that's a guitar, right? Hell yeah. That's exciting. Okay, I have to fix all my fucking titles. They're all wrong. Still.
Comes back alive.
Building a WordPress game engine. Shit, sorry. I can't see what you just did. What's a category? Game development. Alright, that's good. You did... Oh. That's a good thing to leave us with. The mighty. The one and only. Fan favorite. Award-winning. Scotch time. Happy Friday Eve, Game Doodle. Welcome to Scotch time. We did it. I almost made it in time. You like Scotch time? Yeah, me too. Cheers, everybody. Happy Friday Eve. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Yeah, Off the Bed's a Scotch time fanatic. You can't get mad at him. It's not his fault. It's a fan favorite for a reason. What is going on? Why is YouTube so far behind? Oh, this is an old stream. Why am I watching an old stream? Oh, this is the new stream. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, I hadn't set up yet, but you guys started yelling at me, so I jumped on. Still need to get the YouTube Shorts live feed on. You think it's funny? That's good. Don't yell at Off the Bed. Beatty, stop. Stop your hatred. Oh, I like that. Name a car for edit. Easy edits? I don't know what that means. I'll name a car. How about a Jeep Wrangler? There's a car. I did it. If you're still here, I did it. AMC Gremlin. I know. I need to make chocolate time. What? A minor? What the hell are you talking about? Speaking of minors, guess who got their first ear piercings today? And by God, I mean, guess whose ears I pierced today? You guessed it. My oldest daughter. She's finally part of the team. She got her first ear piercings today. And she didn't take it very well. She didn't like freak out and cry a bunch, but I mean, she was really freaked out, like nervous about it. And she immediately was like, this hurts. I'm like, it's going to hurt for a couple weeks. I would have never done it. You know, she pulled an attitude about it. Yes, there are 2 more piercings in this house. And between me and my wife, that's already a lot. Yeah, she'll get hooked. We all don't like the piercings until like they heal and they're like, oh, I need more, you know. She's already talking about getting her nose pierced, and she says she thinks lip piercings are really cool. I mean, obviously lip piercings are very cool. Yeah. Your first piercing ever was your industrial? No, yeah. You know, that's actually a lot of people's first piercings. I mean, I'm not saying a lot of people in general. I'm saying a lot of people that I've pierced for the first time, they went for the industrial. And only one guy. Most females. But it's a cool one, you know. 2 piercings in one. Nice straight bar. Should soften the blow by doing the old bamboo shoots on the Yeah, I know. You want to feel pain? I keep yelling. I'm sorry. You want to feel pain, kid? I'll show you pain. Bamboo shoots. 22 currently, but I have had to take some out and do temporary piercing. You mean like you're wearing like retainers? You think your dad would kill me if I got my ears pierced? Yeah. My first piercing was a labrae. That was one I thought was the coolest when I was 14. And I did it in my friend's bathroom with a piercing kit, you know, clamps and a real hollow needle. Like, I didn't do a fucking sewing needle and with an apple and, you know, that kind of crap. But credit card chips under the skin. Yeah, I mean, I'm into different types of bod mod, not just piercings. I would do it like just like an NFC chip. Your piercer wants to get into doing play piercings, so I'm doing that for her to build up her. Oh, you're talking about just like doing like corsets and stuff? I did a handful of like corset picture things for the portfolio. Just to, you know, stuff that looks cool but you never keep. I actually did some real corsets with like surface bars and stuff too, and those never last. But yeah. Yeah, wait, you said you have 22 currently? I don't know. What do I have? Badass back pierce corsets? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I did down like towards the upper butt. Yeah, they weren't done a corset one yet, but you designed stenciled. Oh, okay. Do they put like a ribbon through it or what? Yeah, so how many do I have going on right now? It's kind of hard to remember because I've had so many and take them all out. Now we've got like 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 on the face. 2 in the ears. That's 10. 4 in the belly button. 14. 17. I guess I only have like 17 in right now. I know I have extra holes that I could put stuff in, but I don't need to. Your printing business is blowing up? Everybody in class? They're like, give it to me. I need more random Trump dolls. I like that. Where is Indy with the clip on that? Let's see here. Piercings, yeah. Yeah, so she has her ears pierced now. Now, we did them at an 18 gauge. So not the normal 20 gauge that normal ear studs are. So I did them a little bit bigger. Just a better process. Tends to be less painful. And, you know, nice room. If you want to go to the smaller studs, you can. Yeah, it's hard to go bigger. It's easy to go smaller. And the jewelry we had was really nice and screw-on surgical steel stuff. She has on a couple of them, mostly medical needles. Oh. Yeah, you just like leaving in the needles and taking the picture. That's kind of cool. The issue with Scotch time right out of the gate is we are all humming in our own minds the entire street. Scotch time. Dude, that shit's in my head way more than I like to admit. That's for sure. So, we have a bug, right? Didn't I finish last stream with a piece of shit bug that I couldn't fix? Or did I fix it? Did we fix the bug? Remember, I think we rated, yeah, I get the days kind of mixed up. I know one stream I fixed the console error, but I didn't fix the actual bug. No. We fixed the fire collection part. Oh, the hazard thing. That's still not fixed, right? Where I'm getting pushed. Or did I fix that? I think I know where it needs to be fixed. Right. Like, this is getting hit. But if I add the false to this, then it won't even trigger it at all. Yeah. So what I need to do... I don't know what I need to do. Yeah, let's talk this out. So... this is running at 20 millimeters a second. Okay? This is an if statement that is basically, are you touching something? If you are, look at all this logic. Otherwise, if you're not touching something, I need to do some things. Basically, usually if you were touching something and then you're not, then I need to do some of this stuff. So that includes removing engage once you stop touching something, removing drag me if you stop touching something, yeah. And then in the hazards case, see, the problem is the value dataset hazard, if you stop touching it, then this won't be true. So that's why I don't know how it ever worked, to be honest. And if it equals engage, then remove the engage. If it equals drag me, remove the drag me. Yeah, so This was supposed to be the thing that stopped the hazard from happening, which must have worked at one point. No, it does work. Right. There's that one weird thing. It only doesn't work when you interact with an item while you're in the hazard. And the only thing I can think of is the interaction with the item is overtaking this when you get knocked out of the hazard or when you leave the hazard. So at that point, you are no longer in the hazard, but you are no longer, the hazard is no longer the value, so it doesn't know to get rid of it. So we need a catch-all, which I thought I already had actually. Isn't there like a hazard check? Push hazard. Wasn't there like a hazard check function I did? I thought I added that to make it more obvious. Like currently touching hazard. Here's the hazard hurt me check. So this is the one. Yeah, but it's using the hazard item and it's using the hazard value. It's using in hazard, yeah. So check the music Discord, why not? Don't switch. Nice. Ooh, Facebook. Is this Marketplace? Oh, this is the one you're getting? Nice, man. 80 bucks. Not too shabby. That's a sweet little setup. Hell yeah. Good luck, man. Speaking of buying things, everybody, stop what you're doing. Go to the orbemortar.com shop. I have added 7 items. And I've also removed all the old Amazon items. They were stupid listings. And I think I'm going to like stop promoting the Amazon ones. First off, the creation process fucking sucks. And you have to create each color differently. And they only have a certain amount of products. And dude, Printify is a monster. Yes, every product that you got from Amazon... No. It'll still be available on Amazon. I'm just not going to put it on the shop. But, so I am going to take some of the old designs that I like and I'm going to make them in Printify. Because the best part of this is if I want to buy a Flex Keys t-shirt, I can do that from the actual store. And look at this cool label in the background of the shirt. What a nice little touch, you know? So it's like the Orbem Order brand in the t-shirt. And, yeah, and there's like a handful of colors. And their mock-up photos are really good, too. Like, even the ones on the person looks pretty damn real. Flex Keys! And look, I can buy it right now. I've already bought a couple just to try out the process. And it's really simple. It integrates with WooCommerce really easily. A lot of styling to do still. But it's pretty much there. And WooPay's cool. It allows you to you know, just put in your credit card or whatever. And yeah, stuff like that. And but Google Pay, obviously, I mean, that's super easy right now. But yeah, so I'm stoked on this. Hey, Hollis with numbers. So I definitely want one of these wireless chargers. These are fucking sick. Sleek design. Ooh, look at Orbem Order on your desk. Ooh, I want to see the black one. Oh yeah, that looks good. I like it. I want it. And don't forget the coffee. Come on. The fact that I could I can now sell branded coffee. You like the pattern I put in the background too? That's pretty cool, right? Yeah, the charger would match your case. And this is my favorite type of coffee. It's whole bean because I like to grind my own coffee. It's just, it's a fresher experience. And I did light roast because it has the most caffeine. Thanks, I appreciate it. And it's, yeah, it seems like it tastes good. The one I chose. I can put a bunch of coffees on here though. I keep yelling. I'm sorry. I'm too close to the mic. Yeah, I can put a few coffees too on here. I just like the packaging. It kind of looks like a milk jug a little bit. But yeah, this is what's inside. So yeah, it's fresh and you can just put it in there. So it's nothing crazy. But yeah, the fact is, Printify, this is outrageous. I can, let's see if I can show you like the amount of shit you can do. This doesn't look like a WordPress game engine. You're right. You see food, like there's food. There's accessories like a motherfucker. There's shoes. I'm gonna make shoes, guys. I think you don't realize how much I want to make shoes. And have Orbem order shoes. Look at this. You can get these sweet mesh sneakers with Orbem order logos all over it. I want Orbem shoes too. I got to come up with some cooler designs. I keep just using the same logos and stuff, and yeah, we'll get there. But this is the game. Oh shit, I'm phasing through the wall. I want it. Dopestompers.com. You just gave that up? Hey, it's still there though. Dope Stompers. Those are like EDM based shoes or something. Skate shoe company. Dope Stomp. Or are you like stomping dope? That's not cool. You're like a cop. What are you, a fucking cop? How dare you stomp dope? Oh god. Oh yeah, I gotta talk to you. Yeah. Hidden drug compartments. Dope stompers. Sick. You can put anything in there. Especially dope. What up, Dak Dude? How you doing? Welcome to the YouTubes. Interesting news. I'm still gonna make and sell flex keys, okay? That's gonna happen. But I definitely saw a handful of very similar products available already. Why are you in pain? What happened? They're either fidget toys, which are like computer keys, or they're workout, actual workout products that are kind of bulky and they're like have springs in them and stuff, and they're different. They're intense. Mine kind of bridges the product between fidget toy and workout product, because they are kind of firm, but they are still, you know, lightweight, and you can put them in your pocket. Not a big deal. You have a headache? What's going on, man? Drink some water. That's what helped Indy yesterday. Yeah, you gotta drink some water. Drink some of that damn water. Turn off all the lights. Chill. Definitely watching me is not going to help you. Listening to me will help you. Watching me will not. Which is fine. You don't have to watch me. Yes, especially water from the Orbem cup. It's kind of like the, whatchamacallit, the Holy Grail. Heals all that ails. We are going to fix this bug tonight. I know we are. And I don't even think I need to replicate it right now. So I'm not going to. I'm going to do a blind programming fix, and then it's just going to work. Good. Dying down. Actual healing effect may vary. We are not actually a holy grail. Results may vary. If you believe it will happen. I haven't fired up my printer in like a day and a half. I've been so focused on like the trademark stuff and the shop now. I gotta get on that. Because I have all this different filament colors now, and I need to get like everything printed in all the colors to really test it out. Yeah, work. Miracle worker. Welcome to the Church of Orbem. No religion in Orbem so far. Huh. Not true. The Canaanth, they kind of like treat Hammonians as their gods. And like Miropelia is kind of their heaven, so sort of. It's more like the North Pole. It's like a reward kind of thing. So there is some religion, but nothing crazy. Okay. So if we were going to blind program this, what we need to do is set in hazard. Kuzo as a Stratocaster. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of going to be redundant, but I think I just need to put it in the same interval, you know, the Miro Explore. It just has to go here. And I just have to check if the item I have currently, or if I'm overlapping a hazard, right? Honestly, by default, I should always be setting it to false. No, I'll probably end up running into the same issue I've been having, where it just doesn't work at all. Where's the overlap? So this is the overlap function. I have it on else, but the fucked up problem right now is this else if. So I just need to make sure this else if is only happening when I want it to. I think that's the problem. Not off the bed 3D printing? Yeah, I remember that. Definitely not you. So null equals cutscene trigger engage. Like, I don't like this being an else if. But I could put this in the else. Like that. Right? That way it doesn't get caught. But it will get caught if you're not touching something. Because this is still technically you are not getting hit. Or you're not touching something. It wasn't you? Oh, okay. I trust you. And if you lie to me, you'll get banned. Good night off the bed. Hope you don't have nightmares thinking about that. Alright, let's see if this worked. It was you? Okay. Thank you for not lying to me. Goodbye. Alright. We just fixed it. What the fuck? Why are you starting me way over here? I don't get that. Oh, I already did this. Okay. So let's try it now. It is going to work. I'm going to get hurt. And I'm going to stop getting hurt. And then I'm going to touch the thing. And then I'm going to get hurt. And I'm going to stop getting hurt. Hurt me. Damn it. It's still not hurting me. In what world are these getting hit? Is it this one? Or is it this one? But like, I'm definitely touching the hazard the whole time, so none of these should be getting hit. Hold on, let's check. I'm just gonna get frustrated. Yeah. What? Like, what? I'm having a conniption. Why? What the fuck? When I touch it, I touch it. Why would I not be overlapping something? I am overlapping something. Hey, it's Twitch Stack. I like me some Twitch Stack. Hold on, let's do this. Console log. Touching. Console.log. Not touching. How about this? Let's just see at what point is not touching happening. That's what I want to know. I could add a set timeout. I'm yelling again. What the fuck? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm overly excited. I'm guessing right now, if we do a set timeout, then it won't just shut it off. And if I see it like switching back and forth, hey, I'm not touching, correct. So now let's touch. Yeah, see, it's going in between touching and not touching. And that's just... Okay. That's just dumb. Which I don't know if it's because it's pushing me, maybe, and... But even when I'm in the middle of it, it seems like it's still doing that. Alright, let's put a set timeout here. That way, it'll get offset. Which set timeouts inside of intervals are pretty sketchy, but that's fine. We'll do like a small one and see if this does it. You're thinking about getting a keyboard, but I can't decide what DAW to get. I currently have Audacity, but it doesn't support MIDI very well. I mean, I use GarageBand. It's free for the Mac, but Pro Tools is obviously like the standard. My M Audio specifically came with a DAW that seemed okay. I just didn't want to use it. Like, I don't even remember what it is. M Audio. Yeah, I don't remember. I got rid of it, but yeah. Yes, yeah, GarageBand is Mac. Yeah, so if you have Windows, I don't know any like major Windows good recording programs, to be honest. I haven't had Windows in a long time. I started really recording and editing my own music when I moved here. I before that, everybody else recorded me, and you know, I would go to studios and stuff. But when you're in the middle of nowhere, you do things by yourself. Wait, what? Didn't I turn that off? Yeah, I don't know. Free DAW for Windows. Yeah, Pro Tools has a first version, so that's good. Hey, they have a GarageBand for Windows? No? You have Audacity, that's up there. MPC Beats is the one that the M Audio came with. Apparently Reaper's pretty good. Top tier DAW. That's right, brah. That's a top tier DAW. One of the best free DAW softwares. Yeah. I don't know why it's in this. I think it's just part of free DAWs in general. I don't think this has anything to do with Windows. You can probably get one though. GarageBand for Windows. Yeah, here you go. GarageBand on PC. Just click this button. Everything will be okay. I support you. Yeah, do it. Download it. Do it on your friend's computer first. Let me know how that goes. Yeah, you can get a VM to an old MacBook. Alright, will I get hurt? Yes, I got hurt. So the timeout is working. Okay. Now, will it keep hurting me when I hit this? I think it worked. I think that was it. I think the timeout is what I needed. I just needed a little bit of lag between it switching back and forth to not touching. Hey, Sports TV, you subbed. I'm good? Sports TV. I don't know if anybody's told you this lately, but you're good. Alright? Don't forget that. And I like your YouTube name. I like some sports, especially with a Z. Appreciate it. Old job and good job. I like that. Yes, it is good. So now I fixed it. So now even when I touched the hazard and I engaged it, it stopped killing me. Let's restart the game and do it again. Because it seemed like the main part was when it was... Ooh, celebration. That's right. I didn't celebrate. Though, I guess this is the normal bug fixing celebration. Yeah! Let's go. I almost didn't celebrate my bug fix. Well, let's hope it's actually a bug fix when we restart the game. And let's give ourselves some sound, huh? I haven't heard this in a while. Okay, I can't wait. Alright, let's try this out. I don't read shit. I'm skipping all your signs. I'm gonna make sure that I can phase through walls still and collect boxes. Ooh, that worked. Oh my god, let me through. Music's still working. Points still look good.
You know why I started Foresight, Brain?
I always like moonwalking.
You know why I didn't call you here?
You know why I didn't call you here?
Yes.
Yes. The dialogue's getting better, man.
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Hi, I need my badge.
Should I make... I was considering doing little talking animations too, like another asset for talking. You know? Probably don't need to. Maybe. I guess I'm gonna have their picture up, so...
Hello,
Yeah, wait, what happened to all my pictures? Oh,
Hello.
I need to
It's the
update that.
Negrescu. I'll be showing you to your station and getting you onboarded.
That's right.
Oh, my apologies. I must run, but perhaps we should meet for dinner
Where's
tonight. I
cutscenes?
could better give you all the information you'll need to understand the Petrese history and goals.
Petrese.
Great. Thanks for the information.
Virtual machine. Emulate. Oh, yeah. Wait. That character. So this is the cut character. Oh, it's still doing the featured image. Wait, oh, I got rid of all the feature images. That's why, didn't I? Yeah, I wanted to do the feature image for like their good picture. No, see, I have one. Why isn't it using it? Wait, where's the main character? Maybe I didn't add it for her, but I didn't update the main character's cut character. Yeah, because this is this. But where's the cutscene character? This is my... No, it's a weapon. Where do I put the image for me? Cut character? No, cutscene. Wait, right here. No, these are the direction images. Okay, so this is the weapon image. Yeah, this is the weapon image. Huh. I guess I never added it. Well, that would explain why it's not showing up. Here's map character. Yeah, okay. I'll have to fix that. Okay. Let's just make sure that this bug is fixed, and then I will add the main character's cutscene image back. Moving furniture. I grabbed it too high. Now, I've been playing this game for a very long time, over and over and over. I'm starting to think that it's not fun at all. Like, the actual actions are not fun. So I'm gonna have to think about that. Like, the whole dragging. And, like, you don't fight enough in it, in the demo. You only have the boss fight at the end. So, most of the items you collect, it's like, what are they for? Or what are they gonna be for? Even if I could collect a bunch of weapons or something, but like, he doesn't collect a bunch of weapons in the book. It's all exposition, right?
Hey Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. Jeannie.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Fantastic. Alright, now I'm going to put out the fire with my face. Oh no, it didn't work. Look. Shit. 60 seconds of playtime, right? Like the tutorial part. So once you get into the game, it'll be much faster, more like open. Yeah, but I mean, I'm going to release just the part before you get the Orbem, like as the demo. It will obviously be way more puzzles and areas and collecting more characters and a lot more fights, and you're going to be fighting people left and right, because that's when it gets exciting when you're in Orbem. But like, I hope the demo doesn't, give the wrong impression. Kind of like how the book can give the wrong impression the first 5 chapters. You think it's going to be one thing, and then it's like, oh, you're in a fantasy universe. I don't know. It could be fine. I'll give a bunch of cutscenes from the future game or whatever to make it exciting. Like, stay tuned. I'm not getting hurt. Have you noticed? So, fuck me, right? The book's coming along? Hell yeah. You bought the professional license on the tool I'm using? Oh yeah, you're using that rando program you told me about, right? Yeah, man. I'll take a read when I get the chance. Is that on audiobook? Just kidding. You can do on Google. So I am physically in the fire. Why? Why is this not hurting me? I am intersecting with a data hazard item. Oh wait, it hurt me. It's almost like the set timeout is worse right now, which doesn't make any sense.
Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher just followed.
What are these names? Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher. Ugh. Welcome, Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher. Oh, look, see, I'm getting hurt now. Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher. We'll see about that. Kit Kat Muncher. No. I think it's a bot. Though I can't tell how long Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher has been on. How long have they been on? Pretty sure it's a bot though. Crunchy Kit Kat Muncher. I am going to report your channel unless you say what's up. How about that? Just cause I'm fucking so tired of getting followed by fake people. Let's see. No. Yeah. Well, because, like, the channel is just a rando chick image. Definitely, you know, seems fake. I don't know. Seems like a fake channel. Good name, though. But, like, too good. You know what I mean? Like, too funny. And no, like, numbers or anything. Maybe I'm a hater. I don't know. Okay. I got derailed. Too good. Too funny of a name. I'm almost at 90 followers, and half of my followers are fake, it seems like. Either they're Indies fake followers or Off the Bed's fake followers. Or bots. And especially when I get followed like a couple times in a night. That is very suspicious. Though I'm happy to have sports TV hanging around. Good people right there. Okay. I don't know. This kind of sucks. I'm guessing that for some reason the timeout... There is a scenario where the timeout and the interval are at odds with each other. And then that means that the timeout is happening exactly falsing at the wrong point. Maybe. Keep in mind that point when there's no start of the book, it's just stuff in the middle. What? You just started in the middle of the book? Not how I would have done it, but you do you, Tarantino. Just doesn't make any sense. The problem is, if I refresh right now... Oh, well, I already finished it, so I'm going to have to restart anyways. But if I would have refreshed, it probably would have not worked. Sweet, man. Can't wait to give it a read. thought the timeout would have fixed it.
You know why I
I
started
just don't
Foresight,
like
Ring?
that.
Yes.
I don't like that it's a different scenario
Hello.
coming from, you know, Foresight to here.
Oh, my
Great.
apologies.
Thanks for the
I must
information.
run, but perhaps we should meet for dinner tonight.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't know, man. This bug is a tricky one. It's really hard to replicate. I can only replicate it for a second. I'm gonna try just refreshing though, and not getting rid of the fire extinguisher, because I know that that works now, which is good. I can still get rid of the fire extinguisher, but I want to get hurt when I'm in a hazard, because it's the whole reason for, hey, Genie can walk through fire, you know, use her. Yeah, man.
Hey Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. Genie.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Am I gonna get hurt? No. I did not get hurt. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is refresh, and fingers crossed, I'm still not getting hurt. That way I can actually test some code changes. That means there's something wrong with the HTML. Or there's something wrong, there's a missing interval, or there's a global variable. A global variable that's being set on load that's not getting set properly when you go to a new area. So what's happening? What's happening is when you're in on load from another area, I'm gonna try going to Bylon and coming back. Okay? Because technically that should be the same as when I went from Foresight to Thyrus. Nothing has changed other than, you know, me completing some missions.
Hey Graham, this is Dr.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Okay. No. This is what was happening before. It only happens when you come from Thyrus. And then you complete some missions and stuff. But is it... A lot of things that change, you know? You hit triggers and they get removed. You complete missions, things unlock. I just don't like the only way to replicate it is restart the entire game. Not like, I don't care how long it takes. Like, it just doesn't make sense. I want to try something. I want to try skipping doing anything in the game and going straight to Bylon and starting that shit. I just want to see if that'll work. Because then that would at least make me think that it's not any interaction that causes it. You know, the differences. So I'm just going to try to skip right into it.
You know why I started Foresight, Brain?
You know, yes.
You know what? I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to go straight to Bylon. I'm just going to God mode it. I know. I'm just skipping all the storyline. We got this.
Hey Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. Jeannie.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Okay. Will it happen? I knew it. I knew it. There's something that's causing it. Is there something blocking the hazard? Okay. I'm going to start completing the missions now one by one. And I'm going to see if anything blocks the fire. That's the only thing I could think of. That there's like a... For some reason a trigger is getting in the way. Or something. I don't know. Because here's the fire. This is the hazard. And for some reason, something's happening to it. So I'm gonna... First I'm gonna collect the badge. And then I'm gonna check the fire again. Oh wait, I can switch to EO now and make this a little bit quicker. That's good.
Hello, Mr. Milford.
Mr. Milford.
Hi.
Alright, now let's go back and do it again. So nothing changed with the fire. And I want to take it from the same angle too, from the top. Because it's very possible that the bottom is not being blocked. And I have to be very careful and not die. Because I don't want to refresh. So let's switch back just in case. And we have the fires right here. Nothing is blocking it. Okay. You see that? Just the first mission. Made it so the fire's not hurting anymore. What? What happened? Oh shit. And that's what's weird. Sometimes it hurts me. Like, very randomly. What is it? Nothing's on top of it. The only thing I did... What the fuck? Was that the mission that caused it, though? What happens? Save a mission. Yeah, it's not like there's a trigger for the fire. The fire is the hazard. So it's not like something went away or something happened. This is the weirdest bug I think I've ever had on this game so far. That, like, I can't wrap my head around. And what I said was true, obviously. A mission or something I'm doing is causing a race condition on the interaction point between me and the fire. Which, again, it does hurt me sometimes. Let's take another look at this. Because the only reason it wouldn't be hurting me is if this was getting hit or this was getting hit. But you saw it was hurting me, and nothing changed. And then I talked to the dude, and then something changed. And the only thing that turns the hazard off is this. And my position right here. Oh no. I think it's the... I think it's the image that's causing the issue. No. No, because I'm always walking down and it hurts me. No, it's all the images that hurt. That don't get hurt. Okay. Yeah, the only thing that goes away is the blockade when I talk to him. So the only thing I can think of is maybe the blockade is now blocking the fire. Oh, here's my cut character. See, I do have one. Why isn't it showing? It's the wrong one. But why isn't it showing? That's weird. I gotta fix that. So let's see. Blockade. Yeah, it's part of a mission. And the mission's gone. Is there an actual blockade somewhere, though? Not just a mission blockade? No. Huh. Uh-oh. You better fix those before I get to it. I'm gonna tear you a new one, man. I need to trigger this. So first off, in hazard is false. And if I sit here, in hazard is still false. Oh, look at that. It was true for a second. That's so weird. And then... this is annoying as fuck. So, yeah, let me see real quick. So, this is the only thing I could think is happening. But... okay. Let's do the timeout here as well. I might be grasping at straws because I hate this bug. But I'm just gonna wager a bet that something here... the interval or something, the touching part is getting screwed up for some reason that I cannot understand. Alright, let's restart the game. And test it. Because I know if I refresh it, it'll just work. But just for shits and giggles, let's copy all the HTML and do a diff. Let's do a diff. Online diff tool. Shut up. No. Original. And then let's go to the game, refresh. And now let's copy this HTML. And find the diff. The HTML is exactly the same, but I get hurt. Why? Let's do another mission and see if it happens again. Let's do the find the onboarder mission and see if it happens again. Why don't we try that? Oh no, shit. I think she's gone now. Oh no, we might have screwed ourselves. Yeah, because when I get her as a character, I remove her. No. No. Well, her thing's still there, so maybe I can still talk to her. I know.
Hello,
Oh,
Mark
good.
Milford.
I could still do the talking.
Hello.
It's der Negrescu.
That's a bug.
I'll be showing you to your... Oh, my apologies. I could better give you all...
Great. Thanks for the information.
Okay. We have another shot. Now let's see if I can touch the fire again. Because we all saw I was getting hurt before. Oh shit, I'm not paying attention. Just flying through doors. Come on. Let's see if I get hurt. Okay. Well, that just means that we did confirm, at least, it's not just completing a mission. And it's the same exact type of mission, too. It's talking to somebody and it completes the mission. Though, the first one had a blockade. Excuse me. I don't know. Maybe the blockade had something to do with it. Okay. Let's restart the game. And see if my extra set timeout would work. Because this is literally the only other place that sets it to false. Faster, faster.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Yes.
You know why?
Yes. Wait. Should I? Okay, I'll do this.
Hello, Mr. Mill.
Hi.
Okay, so that's the thing that fucks. So let's go, just skip everything, go to buy lawn and get the fire coming back. You could technically complete all the missions out of order in this game. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. It does confuse the story a bit. Oh no, that's right. You can't do the onboarder thing. So everything but find the onboarder, you could do out of order. Like, fuck with your desk, get your characters, that kind of stuff.
Hey, Graham.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Will the fire hurt me? No. The timeout means nothing. Yeah, it's definitely in order, but I make it as loose as possible because it's supposed to be dynamic. Yeah, it's just like you do the damn mission with Andy and that happens. You refresh and it's fixed. There's an interval somewhere that is fucking the hazard false thing. Like, because I have to imagine. Yeah, no damage right now. I mean, every now and then I'll just be like, blip, a random thing of damage. So that's how I know that the interval is doing something. Wait. What am I doing? What is this? Oh, wait, this is another spot that makes it false. How'd I miss this one? Yeah, the bottom part of the fire. That's actually a good point. No, it's just staying the false. I have it open right now and it'll switch automatically. But I did see it blip true. But yeah, let's see if I can go grab this fire. Grab me some fire. Hey, I'm trying to phase this way. You son of a bitch. Oh, there's kind of a gap, that's why. There we go. Okay. My speedrunner glitch. Ah! It's so much more gnarly from the bottom. My face, it's burning. Hey, is it hot in here, guys? No. It's still not hurting you. So it's just the fire in general. Yeah, I want to take a look at this. This is the other area that apparently... No. I think it's this... Because if it's a hazard... and false equals interact or whatever, then it sets it to true. And then the value gets set here. And this gets set as hazard item. So this is what's supposed to basically start the whole shebang. So I added this, but then there's this else if here. That if it is a hazard and you can interact with it, boom. It's possible that maybe can interact is coming out as true? Maybe? Character SRC would have to equal true. I mean, it would have to include Genie though. Which I don't think is the case. I mean, there's only one way to test it. We have to restart the entire game and do it again. I'm gonna add another set timeout here. Just in case. Oh my god. That's not how you spell set timeout. That's how you spell set time. Okay. I'm also going to do this. I want to see what this says constantly. Because if for some reason that's coming out as true, then at least that'll give us a clue. If it's true, it'll give us a clue. False! Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Right. How come in hazard... Oh, I am false. How come in hazard is still giving me false though? I'm also gonna console log in hazard. Because that's weird. Is there a scenario where it doesn't care if it's false or not? And maybe that's why it's working. Because here, it doesn't check if in hazard is true or not. It sets it to true. But this can still happen. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that. I still want to just check. So we have can interact. We're going to have in hazard. And we're going to have... wait, did I have another one I wanted to check? Oh, and I added this timeout. Yeah. Alright, let's give it a shot. Fuck you, you died. And there's no way for me to troubleshoot why the first mission causes it. Just makes no sense. I don't think it has anything to do with the fire hurting you or not, but because we checked, the HTML is exactly the same whether it works or not.
You know why I started Foresight, Graham?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr.
Hi.
I hate this bug. I really do. It's literally taking up a whole nother stream. Yeah, I limited it. You have to do the minigame in order to get
Hey, Graham, this is
transportation.
Dr. John and Dr. Jeannie.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
You're mesmerized by your own writing? It's great, man. You have to like it first. Reading a Rick Royden book? It better be good. I'm gonna talk a lot of shit if it's not. I've got a grudge with anybody trying to write books. Okay. Will I don't even know. I forgot what I was trying to do. Okay. Very strange. There's a lot of trues and falses. What does that even mean? It's just true and false, true and false. The problem is I put timeouts on the false. So even if, I mean, setting it false, I put timeouts. Yeah, but it's like, it's not hurting me in time because it's getting so many falses. I just don't know why it's getting falses. It's like, because I mean, I am actively touching it. It's not like I'm not touching it. So that makes me think that there is something wrong with the conditions. Where even the fact that in hazard equals true is then setting it false. I need to see all this shit. And I'm doing can. Oh, whoa. Never mind. I forgot. These are two different console logs. This is false. This is true. Why is it stopping though? Oh, because I'm not touching anything. How do I touch something? How do I touch? I want to interact with something, so it can be false. Okay, so let me see here. So false is, can I interact? Which is true, as confusing as that is. And true is in hazard. So it's actually correct. So why the nut am I not getting hurt? So the problem is the fucking hurt function. This is actually working fine. This is working fine. In hazard equals... No. So where's the hurt function? It's right, this is when I die. This is it, right here. If in hazard is true, which it is, then hurt me every second. And if the hazard item is not false, it should push me. So this interval is either not getting started or these conditions are not being met. I know this one is being met. I'm seeing it say true. So that only leaves this interval is not getting hit. Which this interval is in engage explore game. Fuck. That's gotta be it. It's not a... God damn it. If it's this is really fucking stupid. Check if hazard hurts. Motherfucker. I really... If it's just this, that's like the stupidest thing in the world. Check if hazard hurts. Yeah. Enter new area. Check. Let's do it down. Engage character selection. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Add hazard. Check. Check if hazard hurts. And let's double check I'm not already doing that in a duplicate code. Doesn't look like I am. Yeah. I still don't get why the fuck that was happening. Like, I get when I refresh it works, cool. But what I don't get is, why was it working until I did that mission? I don't know. I don't know. I don't fucking know. Stop asking me questions. There's your answer. Well, let's see if it works right now. I want to make sure my... What the fuck? My util is working. Yeah, okay. Util's working. Restart the game. And try it again. The only thing I can think of is I'm not losing the interval when I go to buy a lawn and coming back. That interval, once it's... The interval doesn't exist until you go to Thyrus. Okay, so it's... follow me here. Until you go to Thyrus, that interval has no meaning. Or it was being set
foresight, Grain.
without any of the items existing.
Yes.
So it's being set incorrectly. But right now, there is no interval. So if the fire was here, it would not work. But somehow, when I go to buy lawn and come back, it's setting the interval. Or no, it's not setting it. It's resetting the fire. And then when I touch this guy, the fire gets... The interval gets fucked? I don't know. I almost got it.
Hello.
Hi, I need my badge.
I'm almost there. I almost think I understand why this is gonna work. Alright, Dak dude. Yeah, I'm gonna head out when this works right now. So, you won't be
Hey
missing much.
Graham, this is Dr. John and Dr. Jeannie.
Hi. Hello. Okay.
Yeah, get some sleep, man. Alright. Can we finally say that we figured out the issue? We did it. That was an outrageously annoying bug. And the way I developed this server-side onload functions, server-side onload PHP functions versus client-side functionality having to match, and there's a lot of these little utils that kind of double up. Ugh, God damn it. Okay. We did it! Yes! That's great. That's great. And it stops. It doesn't hurt us. Good to go. Switch to Fasty McGee over here, who looks like Tatami Matt. And let's start the timer. Go! I know I already skipped a bunch of missions. But she's dead now. She's part of my crew. I love having a timer, by the way. Oh yeah, wait, hold on, you can't see it. There you go. I love having a timer. I love knowing that the actual timer started. Yep, cricket toe plucked. Oh shit, she's still here. That's creepy. You shouldn't be here anymore. And it works. The timer works great. Though I need to make that timer go away when you actually complete it. I need a strong box. Oh, that's right. Nobody else's powers work. Oh, shit. It worked. Oh, I must have turned into John for a second. Awesome. Oh, yeah, look at. Hey, I'm a tiny rocket. Oh, shit. Okay. We did it. Friday. It is Friday. For me. Friday, if I do stream and I don't get lazy and sleep, I want to rewrite the character power ability logic. So it's dynamic. You can create any power you want, and you can assign that power to anybody. What that power does, I don't know. There's no way for me to like account for a million things. So it's going to have to go for the person. Only this person can interact with items that are assigned to it. That's pretty vague. That's something that, you know, whether it's collectibles, breakables, I can handle that for like John, or draggables. Like only they can do a certain thing. And I should assign mini games to people instead of making it like character based. Will your family need you on Saturday? Because I got a lot of dormants. I cashed them in for infinite scotch times. That's right. I know. We'll see. My family never needs me. Are you kidding me? Fantastic. Okay. We know what we're doing tomorrow. And at least we know what we're doing next. I will forget it, so remind me. Regardless, maybe we can raid somebody if there's anybody else worth raiding on right now. Yeah, we got Jedem. Ooh, Crozian. Can I get Crozian? Is he going to say goodbye right now? I'm going to try to raid Crozian. Yeah. But, as always, thanks everybody. Really appreciate your time. Game Doodle, always the best. Beady Turtle, always the best. And, you know, Dak Dude, you always hanging out. That's cool. Indy couldn't hang out for very long, but I'm glad he got to jump in off the bed, was hanging. Kit Kat Crunchy Muncher, or whatever the fuck. Man, you know. I hope you come back. But either way, anybody watching in the future, hey, subscribe and follow, and come hang out with me in person. I like to talk. And everybody go to orbemortar.com/shop and buy every item, and then every time a new item comes in, you have to buy that one. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. All right. Goodbye. See you in the next one.
I'm giving you a compliment, Guts. Take the compliment.